Hello. So here is one more option where I use the ChatGPT for Google Sheets. I need to calculate the end date for my contract I'm signing for, and I know that the term is 121 day, but working days, and so I know some official day offs, weekends, holidays here in Ukraine. So I just copy them here in the date format. Usually in the date format I use something like this, and then I convert with the format option. Like it won't be visible, right? Okay, it's visible here, so I can use this one, not for this, but for this cell. For example, I use this formatting, yeah, and then it's transformed, but yeah, it treats like a date. So this is the date where I need to calculate, for example, this date plus this number of days. So something like this. Okay, it calculates already, right? But I need only working days. So I just ask the ChatGPT, add working days to the date in Google Sheet format, in Google Sheet formula, right? To add working days, excluding weekends to a date in Google Sheets, you can use workday function. The syntax for the workday function is, and here it's start date, days, and holiday. So okay, then I use this formula like it says workday. So I did not remember the proper name of the formula, and here I use the whole column. Maybe I can add in the future more dates. And now it's 1st February. It calculates only from Monday to Friday and excluding the official holidays. This is what I need, and this is also the option where you can use ChatGPT. It's very helpful. Thank you for watching.